Yes, guys, I'm here with what you expected. That is a FR past 4 paper analysis. Okay, we'll do this now. See, for last 4 attempts, they have been tested CFS for 3 times and business combination for 1 time. Okay, if you already know CFS, if you already know business combination, well and good, concentrate on those areas. Okay, so whatever I am discussing the paper analysis, it is only for 70 marks. I'm not discussing about your MCQs. Okay, right. So CFS and business combination. If you have already prepared, go for that 14 marks. If you have not prepared the business combination and CFS, don't worry guys. For you, I would recommend you to at least see some videos. Okay, 2-3 hours videos will be available. Just see the videos. Have the basic understanding of the CFS and business combination. Don't get into a panic mode that you will not clear. No, even if you didn't study the business combination CFS, still you can pass the FR paper easily, right? Done. So if you have already studied, please do not skip these chapters at the end moment. At least know the basic adjustments. There will be questions, very difficult questions will be coming, but in that questions also it will be very easy for you to make some basic adjustments you can do, and at least put the balance sheet and come, right? Okay, so this is for your compulsory question. Let's go to the other question. So there will be 5 questions. Okay, 5 questions. Many people will be going for financial instruments. If you are very much good at financial instruments, go to financial instruments. If you are not good at financial instruments, because in financial instruments, what is the mistake that the students do is, it is for 10 marks. If you make any mistake in a single step, so 10 marks gone, that's it. You cannot do anything about the 10 marks. So step marks, you will get step marks. Okay, if the starting steps itself wrong, if you have a computer the equity component wrongly or the liability part wrongly, then it's totally gone. So if you are very much confident about financial instruments, go to the financial instruments, right? If you are not confident at this moment, if and you are sure that you are going to attend financial instruments, make more practice of the financial instruments question at this stage, right? So second question, A part, going to be your financial instrument on the basis of the past 4 attempt paper. And see, this question, okay, this part 2B is mostly from the set I have given you. That is the first module. India is 1, India is 34, India is 7, 8, 10. Okay, conceptual framework. This is the part, okay, from this part only they are testing the 2B. So if you are going to attempt the question number 2, be sure with the financial instrument and the module 1 part. Then you can be very sure about your 14 marks. Done. Okay, have a pass for third and fourth one. We'll go to fifth one. Okay, fifth question we'll just see revenue, 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 revenue. Revenue. Every time revenue is coming for 5 mark. If you get your MCQs, then it is 7 marks, right? So don't skip revenue. That is what I request you. And then Ind AS 101 and analysis of financial statement. This is a combo. Again, see this combo. Ind AS 101, Ind AS 101, analysis of FS, Ind AS 101, 5 marks. Sure. Day if you cannot finish the revenue, break the revenue daily. Daily you study revenue for 15-20 minutes. Daily you study revenue. So by that way you will complete the revenue. If you daily study 20-20 minutes, you will be gradually covering your 5 marks. Okay, you make a study plan. You will study 20 minutes revenue daily, and you will study that small chapters, as I discussed earlier. The small chapters I will cover daily. FR, this way you will be increasing your marks daily on the daily basis for the next 30 days. Done. And please do the cumulative revision as and when you prepare. Don't go for separate revisions. As and when you prepare the next chapter, please revise the previous chapter, then go to the next chapter. Do the cumulative revision. So 5C. 5C is again the concepts I have told you. Okay, that is your question number, that is your first module. Okay, first module, again they are testing conceptual framework and Ind AS 1, Ind AS applicability. This is tested. Okay, right. So if you could see Wait, let me discuss the sixth part also. So sixth part, 6ABC. So 6A, accounting technology and cloud computing. Please don't go in the mindset that they will ask professional ethics. Be sure with accounting and technology. You can see for all the last 4 attempts already they have tested accounting and technology only. So there may be chances they will get professional ethics this time, or again they can go for accounting and technology, right? So even if you do the professional ethics part, please don't go only for the case studies, okay? Even the basic concepts you revise on, what are the fundamental principles, okay? In the audit you have already studied that. Please at least revise and go. They can ask the straight question for 5 marks. You cannot expect what ICAI will give, okay? Done. So B and C. In B part is about asset. Okay, they will test in the asset part. So they are testing the asset part. If you could see in 105 PP, Ind AS 2, Ind AS, that is everything is the asset part. Okay, so the last one 6C. 6C is again the first module in days 34. So if you could see 6C and 5C, 2B. These three parts are coming from the first module. This is around 12 marks. Okay, this is around 12 marks. So, which is very crucial for you. Okay, this 12 mark you can easily score. So, this 12 marks, along with that, you will get some MCQs. Okay, so 14 marks you can expect from that module 1. Okay, module 1, you can expect 14 marks. So, this is what we understood, right? And if you are sure with the revenue and Ind AS 101, Ind AS 101 analysis of FS, again you are sure with your 10 marks of here itself you are completing your 24 marks for sure. Okay. Then your accounting and technology and computing. If you do that, 5 marks. So 29 marks is sure if you are very much confident about these chapters. Good. Okay. Now we'll go to your Ind AS assets. Okay. Asset Ind AS and other Ind AS. Okay. See, in asset Ind AS part, okay, you have to be thorough with all the asset part and all the liability part if you're going to leave the financial instruments question. Okay. See, if you're going to leave this financial instrument question, this one, at least you have to attend 3 and 4th question. If you are going to leave the second question, you need to attend 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So you should be some way or the other. You should be very much thorough with uh, all the Ind AS, okay, all the Ind AS, asset Ind AS and other Ind AS, disclosure, Ind AS 33, Ind AS 19, everything you have to be very much thorough, okay, which is actually very easy, okay, very easy as compared to financial instruments and CFS. Ind AS are very easy to do. So you can see Ind AS 116 and Ind AS 40, and again financial instrument has been tested in May 24 attempt. So it's a combination of the Ind AS assets, liability and disclosure part you will get, okay, disclosures and other standards you have, right? So that is a combination of these chapters, okay. Ind AS, what I analyzed is Ind AS 36, Ind AS 33, okay, it has been tested in the May 25, right? So whatever the questions, whatever the areas that has been tested in the previous paper, previous attempt, like in May 24, see the common areas you leave it like financial instruments, CFS, revenue, these are the common areas they're going to test. You leave those topics. I'm not talking about that topics. If you could see in days, this one, Ind AS 34, right? You can see the Ind AS 34 in the very next attempt. Yes, you can see the PPE here. You can see PPE here also, right? Ind AS 102. The same case is happening, right? Okay. So, in this paper, something came. What is that? Ind AS 36 and 33. Something new, right? Okay. See here, Ind AS 36 and Ind AS 33. Okay. So this is something I just saw in the paper trends and analysis. So you be very sure that you are going to study all these topics. Okay, you're going to study all these topics because we don't know. You can again see a question from Index 21. You may see this attempt again for your Jan 26 attempt. You can see a question from Index 21. We don't know. Index 19, maybe Index 7, they have tested for 4 mark. This time you may get 10 mark question. Okay, so we are not sure about that. So I'm saying that if you are going to see this two questions is repeating again and again. Okay, so in days 36 and 33 is repeated again. So you be sure with all these topics. If you are going to leave anything, at least don't leave these topics, so you can attempt some 14 marks. Okay, if the same trend is following again, you may get 14 marks which the other students may not know, and this may be an edge for you, okay, to score that. Yes guys, I have given you almost all the techniques that to study your FR. Okay, so please be confident in approaching your paper, in preparing the paper. Be very calm whenever preparing. Don't be in the urge to complete everything. Okay, 100% syllabus, it is not possible, okay, to complete the 100% syllabus, but please be extra confident on whatever you have studied. Okay, that should be super confident. You have to write it. Okay, you have to write it. Please take some writing practice, which is most important. Okay, suddenly you cannot start writing the revenue, suddenly you cannot start writing the professional ethics. You should know the format. Okay, how to present, what is the implication, what they are asking, okay, what is the accounting problem they have done. So you have to have some structure how to write the answer. Please practice those things. Okay, so this is how I have completed the how to prepare FR, what to concentrate on, the paper analysis, etc. If you need anything, just ask me in the comments. Okay, I will try to give all the efforts for you. Okay, and I will try to help you as much as I can. And if some students is asking about the group 2, that is IDT and DT, for this attempt I'm not sure about group 2. So for January 26, if you are writing in Jan 26, I'm not sure about the analysis of G2. So for now I'm concentrating on G1. If time permits, I will for sure give for group 2 also. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for listening patiently. If it is really helpful, please drop your suggestion in the comments and your opinion in the comment. It will help me to go further and then do for all the other subjects also. Thank you guys, all the best, prepare well, be confident enough. Bye bye.